Hey, good afternoon. My name is Dan Keller, and I'm in sales at Tri-State Automation and Tri-State Industries. We are a 40-year-old family-owned business. Really, essentially, we are one company with two visions. So we help companies who are interested in outsourcing different manufacturing processes like welding and grinding and cutting, and we utilize robotics to do that. So we have about 17 systems across the company that we help companies utilize. So. On the other side of the business, we have Tri-State Automation, which is a robotic welding company. So we are an integrator that designs and builds robotic welding systems. And then we help companies all over Wisconsin, Illinois, and Indiana not only integrate those systems with welding, cutting, grinding, we also implement and support. So yeah, one company, but two very different divisions. There's a number of things that we've really enjoyed about our TMA membership. I would say, the biggest value we've seen over the last probably 6 months, especially with the pandemic, is the TMA's amazing way to help companies and members network. So during our short period of time we set up, usually we started right around early January, and since then we've found 2 new customers, which are also members of the TMA that were looking for similar services and things that we offer. They've helped us put us in front of a number of different companies with webinars, lunch and learns. It really just helped us network and market our business better with other members so that all the companies are successful and help us grow.